What is up, guys? Game Baron, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the new skin of the Prisoner Stage 4. So remember to like and subscribe the video, because every time there's going to be like a Fortnite challenge, I'm going to be out there to help you guys. And yeah, because this is going to, because I really want to do some Season 8 stuff for you guys, and it really helps to show that you guys are there for support if you subscribe. So yeah, that's the complete opposite. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the exact location today of where to get the new Prisoner Stage 4. Like, I haven't even got it yet. I've only got Stage 3, and I think I've figured it out. So yeah, I really want the skin, but man, it's so expensive. Woo! Dude, it's so expensive. Like, guys, I might do a match with you. I do not know. Good, but this is going to be the main topic of today's thing. So, if we can survive and and evacuate to Whaling, then I can show you guys how to get it. So. Oh, by the way, the loading screen that I have, which I'll show you in a minute, you get from the overtime challenges by doing the revive 3 players in different matches. So yeah, if you want to do that, we're gonna head. Oh geez, Louise, there are gonna be lots of kids going here. Match. I've got it. Oh, because I've pinpointed the exact location on the map, so you guys know where to get the new prisoner skin. And I may not survive because lots of people probably still need it. It's just start to load in, and if you come down here, then yeah, look, and it loads in. The earthquake, as I become a baldy man. It has lots of lava and looks very grumpy. So this is the Prisoner Stage 4, and it is literally insane. But Jesus, I'm getting shot at. The lag. I see him. This is awkward. I don't have a gun. I made that. Sorry. I should be in the clear. I'm gonna leave because boring. Yeah, look, YouTube. This is the thing that you get from reviving 3 players, and look, as you can see, it's like a ceremony, and as you stand there, it will work. But you must have the Prisoner Stage 3 skin, and it must be equipped while you're using it. Look at that! Whoa, that thing's ugly. Wow. Jeez, look at it. It's even got smoke coming off it and everything. Like, it's just amazing. Like, what is this thing? It's just a beast. Okay, guys, remember to like and subscribe, because that's all my time's up today for you guys. And remember to like and subscribe, because every time there's gonna be like a Fortnite challenge that you guys want me to do, I'm gonna try and help you guys with it. And we're just gonna get rolling through it. So, until next time, YouTube, goodbye.